What's up, everyone? It's me, Jax, here right now. So I thought I'd make a quick video about this. I'm actually trying to boost leak test my car, and I just thought I'd film the adventures that I'm having doing it. I've actually never boost tested my car before. Boost tested. So this is the first time ever. And this is like the first thing people suggest you to do whenever you boost a car. I didn't do it till like 3 years later. So I have this like weird hesitation issue that I've been trying to track down for like almost a year now. I rarely even drive the car anymore since I bought daily an E35 AMG. So it just kind of gets pushed in the back burner. I mean, when I drive it, I'm happy anyway, so it's like, But now I have it all fixed up, well, a little fixed up. I didn't make a video about it, but I actually painted the car myself. Here you go. Whoever can guess the color is, well, I'm broke, so I don't know if I can gift anything, but there you go. It's not perfect, of course, and my wet sanding skills are subpar. I still have a lot to learn on how to cut and buff. That's pretty much the biggest thing that's new about the car is the color. I think the whole process took me like a month. Also bought the side vents as well. Kind of matches with the center vents now. I also bought a hardtop. I don't know if I mentioned on the video, before on the channel, is that I actually sold my previous hardtop to buy daily, which was the CLK, and I just couldn't resist and not buy another one. So unfortunately this one, I did get a really good deal on it, but it does have a lot of dents. It's gonna take a while for this to be fixed. I mean, you can even see clear as day how badly dented this is. So after working on my car for a month, doing body work and paint work, I don't really have all the motivation in the world to finish that up. So back to the car. Here it is a 3-inch cap. That's actually a 4-inch intake if I'm not mistaken. I was hoping it would fit on here, but anyways, that's part of this thing was only like $4. So $4. I already had this, but I think this is like $3 from Harbor Freight. All I did was I drilled a really precise hole. Well, not really super precise, but it's, you know, smaller than the actual fitting itself, and just threaded the fitting in, and it actually doesn't even leak. I didn't even put any thread locker, JB Weld, or anything. I was gonna put JB Weld on it. I have it laying here, but yeah, you can see there's purple overspray. But I didn't even need it. It doesn't even leak at all. Needless to say, there is I found a couple of leaks. Just a little difficult to find them when you don't have a smoke tester or something. I tried using the water bottle spray. That didn't really work too well. I mean, I'm sure it works well. It's just the areas that I think I have leaks at, it won't really work that well. I kind of just have to feel for them and hear them. So I've already gone through a couple before I even made this video. One big leak was from this homemade boost controller. It leaks obviously from here, that's normal, but it also leaks a little bit up here, and I think over here in this fitting right here. And then as you go towards the intake side, let me hook up the compressor. Let me hook it up to the thing right here. So what you do is, it's pretty simple. So if you have a compressor with a regulator, you just have it set to whatever you want your PSI to be in the car. I have it set to, that's not what I want, that's like all of it. So you just lose. I think 50 was the one I was using a while ago. Actually no, it may have not been 50, it may have been like 25. 50 is a little too much. I'll lower it down to 25 actually. Maybe 30. Maybe one day I'll run 30 PSI. Who knows? And blow up my engine when I run 40. Alright, so that's done. And you know, you have your hose. You have your little quick connect here. That's basically what that is right here. It's just another quick connect air fitting. And all you do is open it. Oh, also make sure to undo your oil cap or any of that sort. You don't want the crankcase, pressure in the crankcase to build up, just in case. It's just not good. So there. Fail. That's a complete failure. Not exactly sure why it's not. Oh, that's why it's at 0. I was like, wait a second. But yeah, that's pretty much how it's gonna sound like. I have everything turned off, so even the fan, so I'm low-key dying, but it's okay. So I found a leak here a while ago, just by feeling for it. It looks like it's good now. I think there was a leak here. There's also a leak here a while ago, and I tightened up the hose clamps, and they're good. Let's see how much boost or pressure is in our. Oh, Jesus! We're at 20. I mean, that's that's about right. You always want to go over what you want to do. I mean, I actually want to do that much, so maybe I should go over a little bit more. But we'll just use that for right now. I don't want anything to pop off like that there a while ago. So I don't know if you guys can see here. I have I think it's leaking a little bit. I'm not sure. See that footing? Trying to feel for it, see if it's leaking. I feel like this is leaking just a tiny bit right here. Oh! And that's how you find a boost leak. Something popped. I think it's one of the couplers there. Oh, there it is. So, it didn't make it far. Like that coupler popped over there. Not really the one I was looking for, but it kind of just gives me an idea that it's probably boost leak free now at this point. I mean, everything else is popping off except that. That was at like 19 or 20. So I went ahead and put that coupler back on. Oh, also I removed probably put it back on now and actually test it as well. I removed the brake booster vacuum. So currently there's no brake boosters in functioning, which makes it really hard to brake. But I did notice that the AFRs got richer. The idle got a little cleaner, so I don't know if the diaphragm inside the brake booster is ruptured or something. I don't know. We're just testing here. So I think now I'm just gonna go give it a shot, drive it around, and see how it feels. Now that you can see, this is the best, by the way, this is the best $50 I ever spent on lights. Like, I was so excited for these lights to come in. I had to buy them because this light, which is like a really small light, and I can't believe I even bothered trying to paint a car with just that one light. And I couldn't see shoot. So with this, I only even have all of them hooked up. I only have 5 of them, and it's bright enough. And it comes with 6 for 50 bucks, 46 bucks, I think. I'll put a link in the description for that one as well. I mean, you can't beat it. It's like, it's super easy. They come with these. You can either connect them together like that, or plug it straight to your outlet like this. And so what I did was I ran an extension cord towards the middle and have this like Christmas tree of just lights hanging around. Not the nicest way to do it, but it gets the job done. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully able to post some more, and peace out.